So now let's say what you want to do is generate out movie scripts using Kimi. You can easily do that as well. So inside of Kimi, what you can do is, let's say for example, say generate movie script of a boy in Vietnam who becomes successful by using generative AI. So now let me just go ahead and correct out the spellings right here, just like this. Now there you go. So now this is what you have. I simply gave it a prompt and said generate a movie script right here. So once you go ahead and send this, it says the title and it adds in all of the things that is there in a film script. Like it says fade in, exterior, and rural Vietnam, dawn. The sun rises over the lush green fields and a small traditional house. The camera pans to the young boy, Lin, who 12, standing on the hill, looking out at the horizon with dreamy expression. So you can see that there's the narrator who says, in a small village in Vietnam, a boy named Lin dreams of a future beyond the fields. So this is what you have right here, and then simply writes out a movie script right here. It says, Lin organizes workshops to teach villagers about technology. He wants to give back to his community. And then it ends it out. And that is how you can go ahead and generate out movie scripts using Kimi easily. As you can see. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe